lovely ones, it's Ethany, and I received some very special love mail recently. So I'm taking a break from my break to show you. Now this is part one of, well, this will probably be part two of two. I had the pleasure of having my money magic manifestation cards, these little guys here, in the Witch's Moon box for January, which I was very, very excited, and the whole team at the Witch's Moon have always been an absolute delight. I got their subscription box for my personal practice for over a year, and then after that full wheel turn, I did put it on hold because I actually wanted to use some of the goodies that they sent through to me before I got more. And they've actually sent me 2 pieces of love mail, and this is the second one. They sent me through the Witch's Bounty. Ooh, this is the first Witch's Bounty I have ever received, and to say thank you, I'm going to do an unboxing and go through what is in here. I have got no idea what's in here. I don't tend to watch other people's unboxing videos of like these goodie boxes, mostly because it makes me like super jealous. But this month I've got one, so I'm going to swap cameras and go through it. And thank you so much, the team at the Witch's Moon, for being so blinking lovely. And let's see what I got in my Witch's Bounty. So now we're going to go through the Witch's Bounty box and see what is awaiting inside. I am awfully excited. Oh, I see a mermaid. I love mermaids. And I know this card. This card is from Jillian's Naked Heart Tarot. Congrats, babe. And we have Death. Very true for what I've been going through over the last month. Very true. And then real transformation happens when we shed the past and embrace the new. Growth is born from the most profound essence of acceptance and letting go. So that's the card that I got. And we have the little pamphlet of information, but I'm not going to go through all that until the end. Aquamarine, look at that. God, she's beautiful. The artwork that the Witch's Moon team has created, and I do think they mention it. Actually, I'm going to look. Yeah, Adrienne Alden, you do the most amazing work, honey. Like every month that every time I've seen your artwork, and I've got a bunch of it from the Witch's Moon subscription box, is just stunning, and I love mermaids and I love blue, so right up my alley. What have we got? Oh wow, an aquamarine pendant. Look at that, and it's a rough aquamarine pendant. Beautiful communication, working with the throat chakra. What have we got here? It's called the Strength of Water box. Spoilers, by the way, for those of you who haven't opened their own. The rough aquamarine pendant and aquamarine inlay. This beautiful rough aquamarine pendant has been cast with sterling silver and accompanied by the gem quality aquamarine. Set into the bale. Oh yeah, there is one at the top there too. It works with your throat chakra. It's a great partner to accompany you in large tasks, as well as guiding you through high anxiety situations, and allows you to work with the courage to articulate your truest self to others. I love aquamarine. I'm a big fan of, I'm actually wearing a blue stone at the moment. I'm a big fan of blue stones. Maybe it's because I'm a Gemini and I'm a writer and I love talking, but that is stunning. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, what else have we got in here? It is like Yule all over again. And then we have a rough piece of aquamarine, I believe. Oh no, it's a rough Amazonite. I should have known that. Naughty Witch. So we have a beautiful rough Amazonite stone. Another one of my favorite, stones here, again blue. This amazing stone was once a favorite of ours when working with crafting our intentions and affirmations. As a water stone, this purifying crystal has been known to be the teller of truths. As well as working with a peacekeeper. As you hold this stone, set your intentions and voice your affirmations out loud. There's a lot more information there, but that's the beautiful Amazonite stone, which came in the little pouch. I love their pouches. They always get the best little pouches. And then we have water magical anointing oil, which I'm just opening up now. Oh wow, oh the color of it. Look at the color of it. It is so stunning. Wow, that's beautiful. I hope you can see some of that gooey gorgeousness in there. Not gooey, bad gooey, but like gooey, gorgeous gooey. This oil has been created to encourage the flow of energy needed to live with a balanced state of mind. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion, feeling the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. And again, there's more, but I'm not going to go into it because I don't know if you all just want to listen to me speaking words. That's gorgeous. And then we have a couple more things in here. Oh, we have, I think this is a little, I think this comes with a, that's for the pendant, maybe, I think. Then we have a mini hope candle spell. Oh, look at that beautiful sea green of that candle. Gosh, she's beautiful. So the mini spell, we hand rolled this hope spell candle for you to burn in preparation for your great journey. So funny, the Awakened Soul Coven this month, because it's January, just did our hope lanterns for working with Persephone. And I think I'm going to use this in my hope lantern because it's big enough. How serendipitous is that? And there's beautiful gold flakes in that. That is gorgeous. And then we have the last little bit in here. We have a beacon of light incense. Oh man, that smells good. Oh, of course. I was like, that smells really good. Why does it smell so good to me? It's got coconut. I love coconut. Oh my God. Now I want coconut cake. Oh, so good. This definitely gives me vibes of the ocean, and I feel like I love the ocean. I wanted to be a marine biologist. So I am feeling this in a beautiful big way. And I think this little thread is for the necklace. Let's have a look. I think it is. I think that's for the necklace. It's an interesting, oh, and it's get out of town, it's stretchy. Oh my stars. So this is, I think that's everything in there. I just don't want to miss anything. That's everything. But look at this beautiful Strength of Water Witch's Bounty box sent to me by the lovely team at the Witch's Moon. And congratulations to my friend Jillian for being in the Witch's Bounty. I will pop a link of where you can support, and they've got another one too, the Witch's Harvest, which is their new magical herb subscription box. So thank you so much for watching and for allowing me to kind of have this dip back into creation that hasn't been outside of writing, back into YouTube. I'm slowly getting there, everybody. Big love to you all, and thank you again for watching.